Hello everyone, I am Qazi Mujawwiz. Welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to learn how to convert Word file to PowerPoint. Select all the text, press Ctrl A. In Home tab, select the heading 2 in Styles group. Then select all the titles, apply heading 1, then go to Quick Access toolbar, click on More Commands, send to Microsoft PowerPoint, select the command and add. Now click on the option Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. That's all. Your Word file is now converted to Microsoft PowerPoint.